Hey you guys, it's Sagira, and we're going to be doing the Sign Pop Challenge. We got glue activator and shaving cream and bags because I ran out of balloons. And so now basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn myself around, shuffle it first, turn myself around, close my eyes, and then whatever I pick first, one, two, three, four, five. Okay, so now, what if I touch first? I pour it in. I got shaving cream. Oh my god, how am I gonna pull this out? I lost my scissors, you guys. So, okay. I don't know how. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm just gonna pour this. I don't know how I'm going to do it. Oh, shout out to the shaving cream. I'm a little bit messy. It's more like cream than regular shaving. Like milk. Okay. It's the best I could have got it. Here. Next is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Activator. I got activated. I was hoping to get the glue first, you guys. Hashtag glue first. But I guess this is random slime, so. Ew, it's kind of mushy. Okay, so last but not least is the glue. Money back, money back. Press. Cardi, don't. No, I'm kidding. Shout out last day of school. And I'm gonna miss all my friends if I don't come back to that school. I'm gonna miss them. They were always so loyal. And yeah, last day of school be like this. I was crying because the last day of school I'm gonna miss all my friends. I think I'm gonna need more glue after this, but I'll be right back. I can just use. I'm gonna mix it. It's like mushy. It's not working, you guys. I think I need more glue. Maybe I've had the activator, probably a different activator. Let me just take off this. Why did I do that? I'll be back. I had to get tissue. And then tell the wish hard not to kill them. I be 10. Okay, I'm back, but it's not getting nowhere attacked. Maybe it's because the activator and the glue, or maybe the shaving cream. Not sure because it's just confusing. don't mind me looking lost because I am. Death drop. But yeah. More like a death drop to pop up, but yeah. So what? You guys, guess what I found? I found glitter, red glitter. So if I activate my slime, I'm gonna add this in it as ASMR. But besides glitter, ooh, the camera dropped. I gotta get a better stand. But no, I'm kidding. That's a bad thing. Shake. And then come on and ta-da. Wish, wish. Hard not to kill us. So I protect. Oh my god.
That dress is mine.
Where?
Michael said.
My sister's being mad unnecessary. Who's here? Epic fail. So see you next time. Bye.